Oil almost stayed flat here, where you can see the resistance is earlier at 63.6 has offered a good support at 63.6, while on the upside now 64.3 is offering it a little resistance. I have mentioned you earlier in the day with the Asia and Europe session, 64.2, 64.3 should be the first resistance zone, and then you can expect 64.8, 65. Are we looking forward to 65 now? And what about natural gas? Natural gas is retraced all the way now towards 3.74 and then towards 3.72, the next support zone. So what should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and natural gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly charts, you can see after the rise, it is waited for the 20 period to climb up, taking the support from the 20 period, rising here, and now I will say, if you see it is staying beyond 64.3, 64.4, stay bullish for 64.8, 65, which is going to be the next target zone. Yes, possibly oil is heading towards 65. Notice rise, retracement, higher highs, higher lows. Where are the highs here? Above 65. Possibly oil is heading towards this, because see what has happened here, rise, consolidation, breaking out here, and once it trades beyond 65, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for sell, trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Rise, retracement, taking the support, trying to break out, trying to bounce back. If you see it is staying beyond 64, 30, 64, 40 zone, you can buy here and expect 64.8, 65 zone. Very, very easy for oil to hit 65. This is going to be the first and very strong resistance zone, because beyond 65 there could be stronger bullish momentum prevailing here in crude oil. Right now, I'll definitely watch out where it closes today. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, the RSI is rising here. On the 3 hour charts, when you see similar observation here on the 3 hour charts, rise, then you can see sideways movement, again a rise, a moderate retracement, and now trying to break out again beyond 64.3, 64.4, stay bullish in crude oil. Moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, the RSI is rising, signs are still very much supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, the divergence here in the moving average definitely is a sign of bullishness. When you see the rise here, after the rise, the consolidation, the support from the 20 period, again a rise, retracement, and now trying to break out. Very, very important for oil to stay beyond 64.3, 64.4, and then possibly we are looking at 64.8, 65 zone, the next target zone. And if you see the stochastic, this was slightly overbought, it has cooled down a bit. The MACD is still rising, and see there is still bullishness left here. That is what we are looking at. More upside move is possible from the current levels. RSI is rising. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, when you see this is very important, look at the double bottom which was seen here at 55, and since then I've mentioned stay bullish in crude oil. See what has happened, it has formed another base here at around 58.60 zone, then the rise, then the retracement, and now it has formed the next base at 60. With the base at 60, it is trying to break out. Now it is very, very important for oil to break beyond 65. This is going to be the first milestone which it needs to stay above, because 65 has offered a stronger support since long, and now once it falls back with above 65, possibly we are aiming towards 68.70 zone very, very soon, if not today. Now, today is the day when you look at the movement here, one strong bullish candle, swing here, it has started the day with the tail, and now, see, the move today is going to be outside Bollinger Bands. It is going to put pressure on the bands to expand. The moving averages have started to converge. These have not yet crossed over, and I am waiting for a crossover here. Remember, a good retracement and a breakout confirms more bullishness ahead. Stochastic overbought, the MACD rising, the RSI is rising. So looking at the charts now, if you see oil above 64.4, stay bullish for 64.8, 65 as the first target zone. And if that is taken, I'll look forward to 65.5, 66.2, and then 67 levels here. The next target zone, which should be achieved very, very soon, if not today. Beyond 65, bullish momentum should prevail in crude oil. On the downside now, the selling entry is only and only if you see it is staying below 63.8, 63.6 zone, and if the price is trades below 63.8, 63.6, stay short for 63.2, 63 at the first target zone, 62.4, 62.5 at the next. and then below that 62. 62 should offer a very strong support, and I do not expect oil to trade below this. So this is all for oil. Let's move to natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 11th of June. Register yourself now. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries. Those who are looking forward to have or trade with a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. With that, let's move to natural gas. Natural gas, after giving a gap down here, today it is retraced towards 3.8, and again you can see a stronger drop is seen here. Now notice it has come down towards the support zone here, 3.7 to 3.68. This should offer a maximum support. If you see now, net gas is staying below 3.7, 3.68, it stays short for 3.65, the next support, and a move beyond 3.65 is a clear indication of more bearishness prevailing today, where the prices are going to head towards 3.6 and lower levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD sharply bearish. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, when you look at sideways movement is seen here. In natural gas, a drop below 3.68, 3.65 should confirm more bearishness, and then below 3.6 you can expect 3.56 and then 3.5 levels. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over. The MACD is trading with moderate bearishness here. When you look at RSI, this is also looking downwards. On the 3 hour, the observation is similar on the 3 hour chart. See, after the rise, it has erased all the gains. It has come down to the support zone here. Now 3.7, 3.68 is the first support zone and 3.65 the next. If it stays beyond 3.65, more bullishness should prevail here. Waiting for it to stay above 3.65. Right now it is not in a mood. I will wait for this critical zone to be breached. But when you look at the formation, see the stronger rise, the retracement, then this is the main trend, this is the retracement, and again a drop, and it has erased all the gains from this candle. Now it is important, the direction it takes, it is going to be definitely remain important. Now stochastic has dropped, the MACD crossed over for sell, the RSI has dropped here as well. On the 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts, the drop retracement, the drop here, yet to breach the support zone at 3.7 to 3.68, 3.65, three key levels here. Below these levels, certainly more business should prevail. See, notice the formation here, slightly higher highs. So right now it is trading in this box here on the upside. Now 3.8, 3.85 zone, offering it a very good resistance. A move beyond 3.8 now is a very good sign for the bulls here. If you see it is staying beyond 3.8 today, tomorrow, in any point of time this week, stay bullish. Possibly we'll see 3.9 to $4 levels, and beyond 4 certainly more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trying to cross over for sell, the RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice today the gas started with the gap down, and since then it is traded bearish. It is erased the gains from this candle. It has come down to the support here. Now see, the moving average is crossing over here. It is a very good sign for the bulls. But notice how it has been trading. The drop here, the retracement, then higher lows, then the retracement. So I should say after the drop, it is trading under this retracement channel. Now it is trying to reverse uh, before, or rather without hitting the highs here. So it suggests that there is a struggle, little bit of struggle here on the upside, and that is why we can see a red candle here. Though I can say 3.7 to 3.68, 3.65. As long as 3.65 levels are not taken, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Below 3.65 is there, more bearishness should prevail. And then you can say possibly we are looking at the bottom of this box where the 3.5 level should get achieved very soon. Stochastic here is at top, the MACD almost flat, the RSI has dropped here. So looking at, now I'll recommend you to buy here at 3.8 levels. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 3.8, more bullishness should prevail. You can expect 3.8485. First target zone 3.92, the second and then 3.4 levels should be there, or $4 levels should be there. If it stays beyond $4 levels, certainly we are aiming towards 4.2, 4.4 zone very soon, if not today. That is the first observation here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.72 levels itself. When you see the higher price below 3.72, take a sell, expect 3.7, 3.68, and if 3.68 is taken, then 3.65. Till 3.65, natural gas is having very good support. Below 3.65, stay short for 3.6, 3.56, 3.5 as the next target zone. Below 3.5, it is going to deliver a major price correction here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.